The mission of the Department of Child Safety is to successfully engage children and families to ensure safety, strengthen families, and achieve permanency.
We have a 5-year strategic initiative for the whole agency. The initiatives are all around the safety and well-being of children and families.
DCS was facing a myriad of issues. We had extremely high caseloads. They did not have the ability to work while they were out in the field. They did have laptops, but they were complaining that the laptops were big, bulky. They were unable to access internet while they were out in the field.
We didn't have a way that they could kind of download that information in a safe and accessible way. So they would end up carrying these case files to them in their car or in their, like in a file of fax. They would have all of their case files with them. And certainly hard files is not a secure way to carry citizen data.
My job requires a very high percentage of time out in the field, and not having any kind of electronic device to be able to type notes, checking emails. I felt disconnected with some of those things.
One of the biggest challenges was time. When you have that many case notes to do and you would write it on paper and then you would have to come back to the office and you'd have to enter the case note, so it was almost like double the work.
When we really decided to do the mobile first strategy, there were a lot of companies that didn't understand what we were trying to do. And what we were really looking to do was solve some really basic problems for the caseworker. Be able to access their files using our legacy system and be able to understand really how the caseworker would use mobile technology. There was really only one that came through that was able to meet and kind of check all of those boxes. That wasn't a big heavy lift of our back-end system, and that was Diona. The Diona solution really helped us realize that we could quickly bring a mobile-first approach to our legacy system and still keep our legacy system, all of the information that was still there, and be able to access it through a really easy-to-use interface, secure platform.
When I'm doing home visits, typing case notes, it's a huge time saver, because then when I get back to the office, now my notes are in.
Usually while I'm waiting for a court hearing, I'm usually on the tablet putting in notes. And then after the court hearing, we're able to put in a child contact note if we met with the kid, and then also the court hearing note. So that's a lot faster than having to wait to go back to the office and insert it.
Now with the tablets, it's wonderful to be able to type everything in real time and double check your work and be able to save it even before you leave in your vehicle from wherever you are. It's a wonderful time saver and definitely helps DCS.
It could be just me making just one click and I'm getting directions to where I'm going. So it's more like I'm getting GPS as well as other information that I'll need. If I need case notes, it's just a click away.
In our work, because our time is so valuable, anything that we can get that will help save us time to help us better manage our time is key. I feel like this tablet really has done that for us.
Our experience with the implementation was really good. Diona came in and really ran the project, interacting with the requirements through the testing, helped us train, set up the documentation, trained our end users. So the implementation was owned by Diona and really supported with DCS. It was a really good partnership and really helped on the implementation overall.
Generally, the tablets have just increased efficiencies for the staff to be able to take any type of downtime they have and complete email, complete documentation. Anything that can make them more efficient at their jobs will benefit children and families.